Hey guys, it's Joseph from BlackboxMyCar. BlackVue just dropped their entire 2025 lineup, and we're gonna be covering all of that today. But there is one brand new product that we're gonna be covering later in this video. There's a lot to cover here today, so let's dive right into it, and let's start off with the mid-season refreshes. But before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on everything BlackVue. Starting off with our mid-season refreshes. So what I mean by mid-season refreshes is all the changes that I mentioned here today, they're not gonna apply cosmetically, because cosmetically, all the dash cams essentially look the same. But what BlackVue did improve is the internals for each device. These changes specifically apply to their flagship BlackVue DR970X Plus, their DR970X LTE Plus, and the DR770 No Plus. So overall, these improvements, we're still gonna have to test later on to see whether or not there's an actual clear difference in the video quality. But what BlackVue has released across all these guys, there's a few notable upgrades that I wanna point out today. So one is improved sensor across all of these. BlackVue did improve the sensor across all of them. But not only that, it's also got enhanced HDR processing. So in challenging lighting conditions, it's gonna have better balance. So you're gonna get better quality overall. And at the end of the day, ultimately what you're looking for is something that can read those license plates. So with the new sensors, BlackVue is claiming that it's gonna be able to reduce those motion blur. So you're gonna get even more clarity on your footage. All these models now support up to 1 terabyte microSD cards, meaning you're gonna get a whole lot more footage before loop recording kicks in. And also something I think a lot of customers might overlook is their fast record feature. So BlackVue mentioned that they're able to bring it down from 24 to 36 seconds down to 14 seconds, meaning that when you turn your car on, your dash cam wakes up even faster. Other than that, all these models, they're the exact same price, but again, it's a mid-season upgrade. You're gonna get even better performance on all of BlackVue's flagship models. So those are the notable features that I would like to point out on all of BlackVue's flagship models. Again, it's a mid-season refresh, so everything is not cosmetic, but internally, I think you're gonna get even better performance in their flagship models. And that's all wrapped up all together in their Series 2 refresh that you see right here in their brand new designed box. Now let's get into the meat of this video. BlackVue is introducing the Elite 8. So they're finally escaping the DR naming structure from the previous models, but this is their first foray into the mid-tier market. And at the time of this recording, unfortunately, we don't have our hands on the model just yet, but when we do, we're definitely gonna cover it in depth. What's really exciting about it is, okay, so cosmetically, it actually kind of looks like a BlackVue DR970 on the surface, but they actually took away the gold rings around the outside of the lens. But if anything, it's what's on the inside that counts. It's the first time BlackVue has introduced the IMX675 Sony Starvis 2 model into their dash cam. And it comes in both 1-channel and 2-channel. So on paper, the Elite 8 comes in both 1-channel and 2-channel variations. And if you get the 2-channel, what BlackVue has done is they've introduced the Sony Starvis 2 sensor into both its front and rear cameras too. It's also got a 7-element f2.0 lens. So typically what that means is the lower the f-stop number, the better it does absorbing the light, so it delivers better low light performance. Still same with the classic 142-degree viewing angles as well. And last but not least, exactly like the other models, it supports up to 1 terabyte microSD cards. Another feature to mention is it still has true cloud integration. So those of you who know BlackVue, BlackVue Cloud is one of their leading features, and they've definitely included it with the Elite 8 as well. But the one new feature that I'm super excited about is actually their power-saving parking mode. Those of you who know parking mode know that BlackVue excels at it. Now BlackVue is claiming that their power-saving parking mode is hundreds times less than any competitors. Whether or not that's true, we're gonna have to test that out. They're claiming that their power consumption is at an ultra low 0.5 milliamp, meaning that if you pair it up with any dashcam battery pack, like the PowerCell 8 or their BlackVue B130A, you're gonna get 12 plus months of parking mode protection. And on top of that, when it detects any motion, it can wake up in under 1 second. That's a lot of protection, but that's something we're definitely gonna have to test out. BlackVue has always been known for their reliability, so let's not forget, they recently jumped up their warranty from 1 year to 2. So to close things off, it's pretty clear what BlackVue's strategy is. They're not only refreshing their existing flagship model with just even better features, but they're also introducing a brand new model in the mid-tier level to disrupt the mid-tier market as well. All of these flagship models that you see right here is now available on the BlackboxMyCar website. The BlackVue Elite 8 is going to be available on the BlackboxMyCar website in early August 2025. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on everything BlackVue, because we're going to be doing a way deeper dive into all of these BlackVue models very soon. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one.